Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So fortunately nowadays your device will do it for you, so you don't really have to do a lot. Basically enter the security. Of course, give all the permissions it needs. And here we've got the security scan, so let's tap. Of course, again agree, and your device will right now scan itself, scan all of the apps, the whole environment, in order to find any malware, any viruses, or any kind of risks. As you can see, I've got one because I did not update in my system yet, and that's why my device will show me that hello. Just do something with that. The same situation will be if you will have any viruses or malware. So it will simply list all of the issues and you will be able to take care of them, to take some steps in order to get rid of them. Of course, if everything will be okay, if there is no problem, your device will also notify you that your device is in the good condition. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to virus scan your Xiaomi 12S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.